We're making ribs. We're not making traditional ribs. We're making deep fried baby back ribs. Juicy and delicious. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right, we got 1 tablespoon of each of these. So it's granulated garlic, black pepper, raisin hoot, smoked paprika, onion powder, and your favorite Cajun seasoning. The raisin hoot, that's a Arabic seasoning. I saw it in the supermarket, had to grab it, had to try it. You know, guys, spread out, try different things. All right, so we're just gonna clean these ribs up a little bit, get rid of some of this top fat and any silver skin that you have. Now we're not gonna be removing the membrane on the back. For some reason, when you fry these ribs up, it just disappears. So we're gonna slice the ribs individually, season them up, and then get them in the fryer. Guys, this is a quick one. This is definitely a weeknight meal. You know, put on some white rice, you know, some frozen vegetables, and you got a great meal. Quick, easy. These actually fry up a little faster than chicken because there's, you know, not much meat on this. Takes about 5-6 minutes of frying. So on with our seasoning we go. Now I could have just threw all the seasoning and give it a rub, but I'm gonna get it on all sides. Find it comes out a little bit better. And then we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice little massage. Now don't use all the seasoning just yet. Nothing better than your hands. You know, I just recently started frying ribs. I think I've done it 2 times. Hey guys, these come out pretty good. Maybe next time I'll brine them down a little bit. See how it comes out. Just add that other layer of flavor and maybe a little bit more juicy. But they come out juicy anyway. You don't know how much more juicy it can get. So, and you know, now we got these, and you know, looking at them, it looks like they need just a little bit more seasoning, which is why we didn't use it all. So we're just gonna go over the meaty part of the ribs here. And guys, that raisin hunt, has a very distinct flavor to it. So, you know, that'll be one. Everybody like, what is that I taste? So give it a try. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong, butchering it, but give that a try. So now we're gonna take these ribs and we're gonna give them a quick shake in flour. Now the flour is just salt, pepper. That's it. You know, because we already got a lot of flavor on the ribs. So I don't want to go flavor on top of flavor. So now we're gonna go ahead and we let our ribs sit. And you see how the flour kind of gets a little pasty on the ribs? That's all crunchiness. I do the same with the fried chicken too. Just let it sit for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. What I do is I heat my oil up while I let the ribs sit. And it takes about 10 minutes for oil, 15 minutes for oil to heat up. All right, so about 6-7 minutes later, this is what you got. Fried ribs. We're just checking for doneness, make sure they're done. And it's done. It's almost time to eat. Guys, this is done in 40 minutes. From start to finish. Maybe 45. Depends on how fast you move. All right, let's get these babies out of here. And guys, this is just another way to cook something that you've already got. Especially when you get that pack of ribs from Costco. All right, here's our little flyover. Guys, the ribs came out delicious. We just had this with some white rice and some peas, some green peas. Delicious. And let me show you what these look like on the inside. Okay, take a look at that. This is not doing justice on how juicy these really come out. I just put a little barbecue sauce on the side in case you want to dip. Look at that. Yeah, guys, this is so good. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Hey, you still there? Thanks for sticking around. Take a look at some of these videos. Hey, maybe you like them.